Hello guys, today I will show you total 11 colleges notification for the post of teaching as well as non-teaching staffs. Okay, so this video will be little bit longer. So let's start with that first college. That name is Institute of Engineering and Technology, Lucknow. Is looking for dedicated and qualified persons as contractual faculty. Okay, so here you can see that the contractual faculty will be engaged on full-time basis for 1 year, which may be extended up to 3 years on satisfactory performance and institute requirement. Reservation shall be applicable as per UP state government rule. So here are the department having vacancies: civil engineering, MTech environmental engineering, MTech structural engineering, computer science and engineering, MTech electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, MTech power and energy system, IT, MTech biotechnology, MBA physics, chemistry, economics, English, mathematics, sociology, human value. Date and time of test interview to be notified later on the institute website. Applicant are advised to keep visiting the website regularly. So how to apply? Interested and eligible candidates are required to apply online by filling online application form available on the institute website till 27/2021. Okay, so last date is 20 July 2021. So here are the essential qualification you can see and their salary, and you have to remember this is they have some application fees that will be 1000 rupee as to be paid as a demand draft in favor of the director IIT Lucknow. Okay, and there are some selection procedure and important information. I'm just scrolling, you just pause it the video and read that all the information. Okay, so next, coming to that second college. So this is basically triple IT quota. This requirement in the department of, this is also that the contractual basis, CSE, EC, English as well as mathematics. So this is basically temporary basis for the 1 year. So here you can read. So interested candidate may send their resume in PDF invariably in the given format here by supplying. You have to write on that email subject. Okay, so triple IT quota offers faculty purely on contract for period of 1 year, position for 1 year with a suitable consideration depending on their profile, PhD status, teaching experience, industrial application. So you have to remember that last date is 12 July 2021. Okay, now coming to that the next notifications, that is rolling advertisement. So this is basically IIT Goa. Okay, that is updated on 25th June 2021. This is a rolling advertisement. There is no last date for applying. Okay, you just read that by pausing that video. So this is by, you have to apply through online. This is no offline or email ID basis. Okay, experiences: professor, associate professor, assistant professor. Application fees, there is no application fees. Okay, here are the salary and benefits, additional notes, and here you can see that the school wise requirement as well as their vacancies. Okay, so here you can see SCF, School of Chemical and Material Sciences, School of Mathematics and Computer Sciences, School of Electrical Engineering Sciences, School of Mechanical Science, School of Physical Sciences, School of Humanities and Social Sciences. So preferred specialization: English, Physiology, Psychology, Economics. Okay, so you just read that preferred specialization as per your requirement. Okay, now coming to next advertisement, that is Gitanjali College of Engineering and Technology. So this is basically walk-in interview that will be held on 4th July 2021. Applications are invited for the following positions: professor, associate professor, assistant professor in ECE, CSE, IT, EEE, ME, CE, physics, chemistry, mathematics, MBA department. Okay, so interested candidate may walk in for the interview or may send their applications with resume by job openings @gct.edu.in or post to the above address. Okay, now coming to the next notification, that Daripalli Anantha Ramulu College of Engineering and Technology. Okay, so wanted professor, associate professor, assistant professor, lecturer in the department of CSE, ECE, EEE, Civil, Mechanical, Mining, MBA and subject of Physics, Chemistry, English, Mathematics, Geology, and also require diploma and ITI holder for lab assistant, tuner, physical director, etc. So qualifications, experience, salary as per AICT rule. Okay, apply immediately with your updated resume, faculty Aadhaar card, PAN card. Okay. Now coming to the next notification, that is Bhata Salya Institute of Science and Technology as well as their pharmacy college. So here you can see that the principal, professor, associate professor, assistant professor, lecturer, lab assistant in the Department of Engineering, Civil, EEE, Mechanical, ECE, Mining, CSE, IT, MBA, MCA. Okay, just read that notification. And this is also interested candidate may send their updated resume, scanned original copies of qualification certificates to the above email ID. Okay, and now coming to the next, that is Mother Teresa College of Engineering and Technology. So applications are invited for the post of professor, associate professor, assistant professor, lab assistant, librarian in the department of EC, EEE, Mechanical, CSE, Industrial Engineering and Management, Digital Science, MBA, Physics, Chemistry, Maths. Okay, so eligible candidates with PhD, MTech, MSc, MA, BTech, M Library can apply. Applications can be sent to the college or mail to mtech.a86@gmail.com along with copies of certificate, PAN card, Aadhaar card, photo. Selected candidate will be informed about the date of interview and salary as per AICT norm. Same. Okay. Now coming to the next college, that is KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology. This is basically walk-in interview. So already started that interview, that will be held on College Campus, and interview will be held on 2nd and 3rd July 2021 between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and the departments are available, that CSE, EEE, ECE, Mechanical, Physics, Chemistry, Maths and MBA as well as MBA department. Now coming to the college Sankeetika Technical Campus. Okay, so here you can see that positions: faculty for engineering college, faculty for pharmacy, lecturer for polytechnic, HR department, public relations officer, office assistant, lab technicians. Okay, so this is their qualification regarding as well as their experiences. So this is basically walk-in interview. So original certificate, 2 passport size photo, 2 copies of latest resume, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and all the supporting documents relevant to education, work experience, and other if any. So if you require more details about that selection procedure, just call that above mentioned 2 phone number. Okay, now coming to the next notification, that Thapar Institute. Okay, so their requirement for the computer science and engineering department. So qualification, that BE and ME in CSE, PhD completed, PhD submitted from top IITs can also be considered. Specialization: machine learning, computer animation and gaming, artificial intelligence, data science and analytics, quantum computing. So you have to remember that last date is 15th July 2021. So application received through online mode will be considered for shortlisted, and it will be based on the faculty recruitment norm 2021. Do not send the applications. Okay. Now coming to the last college's notification, that is Bapatala Educational Society. So under this society there is lots of college. So here they invited application for the following position: engineering college and women's engineering college, pharmacy as well as the public school. Okay, so this notification is released on today, that 2nd July 2021. Okay, so last date is on or before 15 July 2021. So departments are available, that civil engineering, mechanical engineering, EEE, ECE, CSE, IT, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and you just see that pharmacy and public school. Okay, so if you want more details or if you want more requirement about the notification, just mail according that given mail ID, and they will reply as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all. So today I just show you total 11 colleges notification, as well as triple IT triple IT Quota, IIT Goa, okay, and also some private institute. And if you want more notifications like that, just like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.